Objective: rewrite exponential equation in logarithmic form. Rewrite the logarithmic equations in exponential forms and evaluate logarithm. What is logarithm? It is from the word logos, that means proportion, ratio, or a word, and arithmos, that means number. And if we are going to combine the two words, that makes a ratio number. Definition: so let A, B, and C be positive real numbers such that B is not equal to 1. The logarithm of A with base B is denoted by log A with base B and is defined as C is equal to log A with base B if and only if A is equal to B raised to C. Some reminders: in both the logarithmic and exponential forms, B is the base. In the exponential form, C is an exponent. This implies that the logarithm is actually an exponent. Hence, logarithmic and exponential functions are inverses. In the logarithmic form, log x with base to x cannot be negative. The value of logarithm x with base b can be negative. Common logarithm. May tinatawag tayo na common logarithm. So, ano yung logarithm? Common logarithm are logarithms with base 10. Kapag nakita natin tong logarithm x o log x, ibig sabihin yan, ang base natin ay 10. Hindi lang nakikita because is a short notation for log x with base 10. Natural logarithms. Kapag ang base naman natin ay letter E, so in other words, we can write it ln x, or the natural number x is another way of writing log x with base E. Kapag E yung base natin, so we can write in this way, ln x, or the natural log of x. Write exponential equation in logarithmic form. For example, we have 2 raised to 5 equal to x. So, we are going to rewrite it in logarithmic form. So, magiging yung x natin, ito yung exponential equation natin mula dyan. So, saan mapupunta yung x? Nandito na siya. Dito na yung pwesto niya, and then yung exponent natin sa 5. So, mapupunta siya as logarithm, and yung base natin same pa din sila, parehas pa din silang base. Pag binasa natin to, that is 2 raised to 5 is equal to x, and this is the logarithm of x with base 2 is equal to 5. Okay, I will give you more examples. So 5 cubed is equal to 125. So rewrite it into a logarithmic form. So magiging log 125 with base 5 is equal to 3. Another, 7 raised to negative 2 is equal to 1 over 49. So magiging log 1 over 49 with base 7 is equal to negative 2. So it's alright to have a negative exponent but not a negative base. So dapat hindi maging negative ang base natin. It's your turn, guys. I will give you 3 exponential equation to write in logarithmic form. You have 3 minutes to answer. write logarithmic equation in exponential form. So, kabaliktaran naman from logarithmic form papunta sa exponential form. So, for example niyan, logarithm of 64 with base of 2 is equal to 6. Magiging 2 raised to 6 is equal to 64. So, yung base natin lang. And then, yung 64. So, tignan nyo lamang. And yung base natin na 2 ay mapupunta lang din dito. Kabaliktaran lang nung kanina. So, the logarithm of 64 with base 2 is equal to 6. So, pag nilipat natin, that will become 2 raised to 6 is equal to 6.